wheelchair, but mostly it's like a personal wheelchair. As you can see, there's a lot of stuff to do here. For example, this here, you need to familiarize how to lock it and open it. Okay. Okay, so how will you... Okay, for example, here. So first, this wheelchair, how will you know if it's ready to use or it's what do you call this? Safe to use. Okay. So first, you need to open the wheelchair. Okay, and you turn in front of the wheelchair and push it down. Okay. Okay, that's safe. Okay, if your hands just go inside and this is already, or be using your hands pushing this thing and it break, it means of course you cannot use it to the patient. Okay, next you need to check the lock of the bed if it's working. As you can see, this one is not working, so it's not safe to use. Okay, you need to check. Right. Okay, lock of the wheels, and of course, how will you use this one? How to lock it? Okay, you need to lock from here. Here you go. This one. Sige, push mo pa dito. Yung position mo, one leg bend, one leg ano. Yeah. Pero huwag mo ilapat yung tuhod mo saan. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, so how will you use it? Of course, down first this one. Okay. See? So there's also you can lift if the patient want to relax her legs. So how will you do that? Push it up. Yeah, down. I mean up. This also up. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. So the patient can relax his legs or her legs, no? How you put it down? So of course. Yeah. So you do, for example, you go up here. Yeah. Push. Okay? And down. So position, upward position. Go in front. Yeah.
Down. Bend. Posture. Posture like this.
Don't
Like
use
this.
weighting, of course. No.
Use your legs down.
Don't put it.
Your
Your knees will be contaminated, no? Yeah, like that. Like this.
Copy sir position.
Up and push it down. Yeah. Okay? So you need to familiarize how to use this one. Okay? After that, before you touch the patient, you do
Hand
hand
hygiene.
rubbing.
Hand rubbing.
Okay? So that's infection control. Okay, now, this is how the wheelchair works and what you need to check if you're going to use it to the patient. First, the seats, lock of the bed. So you need to verbalize that when you're doing your skills.
Lock of the...
I need to check the wheelchair if it's safe to
Safe.
use by pushing this one,
Checking the
lock, and the other steps.
Positioning the... What do you call this one, sir? The
Leg,
footrest?
leg support.
Leg support.
Sir, the patient will sit first before the leg support or...
Yes, of course. Sit down first, and
Yes,
then
sir.
you. That's why before you touch the patient, you need to do hand rubbing as well. Okay, so if it's safe, of course you can use it. Usually, there's a normal wheelchair.
Yes.
You can just sit down the patient, right, and assist the patient. So this is different. This is more on an ambulatory patient, like cannot assist themselves, no?